In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Solflare wallet into your Phantom wallet seamlessly. Now, whether you're transitioning from Solflare or simply diversifying your wallet experience, this guide will make the process quick and straightforward. First, you'll need to open your Phantom application. Once inside, you'll notice you're faced with a couple of options. You can either create a brand new wallet or look for an option that says, I already have a wallet. Since our goal today is to import an existing Solflare wallet, the choice here is to go with I already have a wallet. Let's proceed by clicking on that. Now you're presented with several methods for importing your existing wallet. Among these options, you'll see the ability to connect an email wallet, import using a recovery phrase, import using a private key, or connect a hardware wallet. Each of these methods serves different needs, but for today's purpose, we'll be focusing on importing through a recovery phrase. What you want to do next is click on Import Recovery Phrase. This approach involves using the 24-word recovery phrase from your existing Solflare wallet. The recovery phrase is your wallet's unique key, granting access to your funds and data, so handle it with care. You'll need to enter the entire phrase accurately into the designated field. This step is crucial. Take your time to ensure each word is entered in the right order. If there are any typos or errors, it could lead to issues accessing your wallet, so double-check your entries. Once you've pasted your recovery phrase, take a moment to review it for accuracy. Everything looks good? Great! Now you're ready to proceed by clicking the Import Wallet button. This action will initiate the importing process, bringing your Solflare wallet data into your Phantom wallet environment. And just like that, you've successfully migrated your Solflare wallet over to Phantom. And there you have it, the entire process of importing your Solflare wallet to Phantom in just a few simple steps. It's an efficient way to consolidate your wallets and manage your cryptocurrency with ease. If you encounter any issues during this process or need additional help, it's always a good idea to consult Phantom's support resources or their community forums for additional guidance. Thanks for following along, and happy trading.